Everybody is a little bit sleepy. So, once again, very good afternoon to all of you. देखो कोई response नहीं है मतलब अद्धेक बंदे सुत्ते पे हैं. So all the dignitaries on the dais, और वर्दी वाइस चांसलर, मेरे विधान सभा के कोलीग मास्टर जगीर सिंह जी, और साडे यंग डायनामिक मेयर मेहता जी, और IEMA के प्रेजिडेंट Dr. Sethi, R.S. Sethi, and outgoing President Dr. Vikas Chavda, and all other dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ board ਦੇ member Dr. P.S. Brad, और Punjab Medical Council ਦੇ member Dr. Bhagwant, Dr. Ravi Bansal, all dear friends and colleagues. So it's a great honor for me. So not only as a minister, but more as a member of the IEMA. So we all have one thing in common, that we share healthcare for people of Punjab, 3 crore people of Punjab. It's not only, I would say, medicine is not only a science, it's a passion, more than a profession. That's what my teachers believed, that if it's your passion, and always chase work, not money. If you chase work, money, shohrat, everything will chase you. So, बड़े golden lesson जिहड़े सानू teachers ने सिखाए, और I am very grateful to Dr. Bishop Mohan. So he has done such a wonderful job, and he has made my job easier. उन्होंने मेरा सारा काम ही करता जी. मेरा इत्थे आने दा मकसद अपना इकट्ठे होके काम करन दा, how we can do it. उन्होंने demonstrate किया कि जे जिहड़े specialist है और बाकी सारा जिहड़ा साडे कोल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, आपां इकट्ठे होके आपां की कुछ अचीव कर सकते हैं. समथिंग विच मे बी अनथिंकेबल, विच वाज ऑलमोस्ट अनथिंकेबल कि ये हो सकता, वो वी हैड द ब्रेन, देन वी हैव द हैंड्स, सारिਆਂ ने मिल के. और ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਸਿਵਾਏ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਦੂਜੀ ਗੱਲ ਸੀ, ਉਹ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਛਾਬੜਾ ਨੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੰਮ ਸੀਗਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਕਾਫੀ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੰਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬਾਕੀ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ. ਸੋ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਟੁਗੇਦਰ. बहुत कुछ चेंज हो रहा, but I only see veterans here, very few millennials or hardly any Gen Z. So I don't know whether it's the last day or what is the fact, but it's the most thinly attended kind of a program which I am addressing. Generally the halls are full, so maybe because it's the last day today. Is it the concluding day? Maybe concluding day, and I think the concluding session also. So you kept the program at the end. But anyway, there are various issues which people come to me, and this is one platform where we can meet and discuss. So, Sade Bhagwant Mann government, Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, we always believe in dialogue with all stakeholders. चाहे डॉक्टर होन, पेशेंट्स होन, कोई अपने बाहर थोड़े इंडस्ट्री वाले भी होंगे, फार्मा कंपनीज वाले होंगे. So we all have to work together. Dr. Bishop Mohan, इन्होंने beginning की थी, that was about STEMI project or Amrit project, and उसके बाद now we have a similar project for stroke. Dr. Jayaraj Pandian, he is the president of World Stroke Council. उन्होंने भी बहुत अच्छा साडा चल रहा है, उन्होंने नाल भी. Medicine is practically the same, and they have also trained a lot of doctors. And recently we started a project for 2 more projects. One is for thalassemia, that's bone marrow transplant, again in collaboration with the CMC. AIMS ਤੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਰ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਜੀ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟਿਵ ਲਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ. But now we have many hubs, whether it's cardiology or neurology or neurosurgery. That is cochlear transplant for deaf and dumb children, because that is a curable condition. Otherwise, the child suffers for the rest of his or her life. So there are many areas. So you see that disease patterns are changing. We also discussed that food toxicity, young cardiac arrest, what is the reason for that, whether it's fungal alpha toxins, or it's heavy metals, or it's maybe steroids, or pesticides, insecticides. What's happening to our reproductive system, that at least every third lady, if not second, they need assisted fertilization. And we have a lot of NICUs now in addition to ICU or pediatric ICU. So most of the children, again, you see, something is wrong with the going wrong, whether it's the environmental toxicity. So we are doing research on that also. So there can be collaborative studies. And Dr. Vikas said something about, you see, hospitals less than 50 beds. We can give them various concessions, but I think they can also join collaborative studies. Even I had a small eye hospital. So I became, जिन्नियां भी साड़ियां कोई collaborative studies होंदियां सी on diabetic retinopathy or endophthalmitis. There are many national level initiatives. So you can always, even the smaller hospitals are welcome. I see no reason why should they not be part of STEMI. They should also be any doctor, any qualified doctor who is practicing medicine or acting as a physician, even if he has a solo practice. So he should also be able to thrombolize the patient and shift the patient to higher center, so that patient reaches what is called the golden hour or the golden time, because it's about 24 hours in case of mechanical thrombectomy. The patient, if the patient is shifted within 24 hours, operated within 24 hours, so even then you see the brain and the cardiac tissues, they can be saved and patient can have a near normal life. Otherwise, if patient comes late, so maybe you can reduce the mortality, but the morbidity is very high. And the patient has to live with morbidity for a long time. So there are many areas, and I am looking forward, particularly, you see, we are starting new courses in critical care, in trauma. So we are getting our staff trained. So the thinking of our government is very simple. The government hospital should be as good as any private hospital. We already have a Punjab Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences, which have done the first liver transplant in the government sector. So, and we are planning to have a renal transplant in this very year. So all our operation theatres are modular now. So we have all state-of-the-art equipment in our medical colleges, and we have started all the most of the super specialties, at least for critical care, and that is where we can collaborate. Like we have a STEMI project, we can have eICU. A lot of work need to be done for palliative care, geriatric care. I mean, even the family medicine courses are not there. So I would ask Director Ames and all our medical teachers, I have told them to start, and the Vice Chancellor is here. So they should start courses in critical care, which we don't have the post-graduation, as I understand now, and in family medicine, palliative care, geriatric care, and there are many infectious diseases like dengue. We had special campaign, so I would urge all the private doctors to join that Har Shukrwar Dengue Tewar. We have been able to reduce a lot of mortality and morbidity in case of dengue and chikungunya also. So even for communicable diseases, for lifestyle disorders, and you see, it's